AI gurus are lying to you. Let me tell you something from a person who actually runs an AI business but doesn't sell you any coaching or education or anything in that direction. I have nothing to sell you. These AI guru ads that you see where it's like, copy this make flow automation and change the prompt and sell it for $20,000 and you're going to be rich. It's bullshit. It's just straight up bullshit. Like every time I see one of these ads, I'm like, oh my God, like I wish it was this easy. I started my AI agency like almost 2 years ago now. So in 2 months, it's going to be 2 years since we started. And let me tell you something, it is everything, but it's not easy. It's awesome, it's fun, it's great, but it's not quick. It's not fast money. It takes a lot of time to learn, and building these AI systems in a way where they're actually good. And this is the key point. Yes, you can copy a make flow. Yes, you can adjust the prompt quickly and easily and deploy it to a client. Will the client stick around long term? Probably not, and that's the key. Building an actually good solution, a solution that you can put into a business, you give it to the business and they love the solution. They keep using it forever, ideally, right? Because we're selling AI solutions. You're going to want to build something that a business wants to keep using forever. If you want to do that, it's going to take you a lot more time than these AI gurus want you to think. And this is not just a thing with AI gurus, it's the same in any space. Like they're gonna want you to think it's easier. Whether it's SMMA, whether it's OnlyFans management, it doesn't matter. They're always gonna want you to think that it's easy, quick money so that you buy their course. With AI, let me tell you the actual things that I did that helped me build my AI agency to the point where it is now, where we're like, almost 15 employees. We have a ton of successful clients. We're doing a lot of revenue and profit as well. Profit, the most important part, right? So let me tell you what actually got me to this point so that you can skip all the guru bullshit. So step number 1 is learning everything you can. The first thing we did is go on YouTube, watch all tutorials, and start using these tools ourselves. Now, the ones that we currently use, to give you guys a little bit of a shortcut, is N8N, Go High Level to integrate, ManyChat to integrate, but N8N is really the core of where we build our AI solutions. Obviously, we do some custom stuff too. We do custom code as well. But if you don't know how to code, N8N is a great place to start. I have tutorials on this. A lot of other YouTubers have tutorials on this. So go and watch tutorials and learn. That's what we did. Then we started selling these solutions. And when you start to sell, you don't really know what's going to perform best, what's going to work best, who's going to need what solution, what industry and niche do I want to go into. So what we did is we just picked one and we did 3 projects for free. Now, no AI guru is going to tell you this. They're going to tell you, oh, next week you're going to be able to sell a solution for $6,000 and you're going to be able to sell another one every single week and the journey is going to be done. What we did is work for free for 3 clients, and if they like the solution that we built, then they can keep it and pay us a monthly fee. That's the way that we structured our initial offerings, and that got us our first 3 clients. We learned a lot from those experiences because you're gonna fuck up, you're gonna make mistakes while delivering those clients. So we learned a ton from that, and then we were able to take those testimonials, take that experience, and start charging money. We started out charging $1,000 a project, $2,000 a project, $3,000 a project, to the point now where we charge anywhere between 5 to 10K, sometimes even 15, 20K per project, but it takes you time to get there. I'm not talking about weeks, I'm talking about months, potentially even years to fully build up something that is worth that amount of money, because everyone can copy a make flow and adjust the prompt. Not everyone can really understand a business's needs, understand the problem a specific business is facing, and then build a solution that combats that exact problem. And that's what you have to do. You need to become someone who understands problems on a deep level and knows how to solve them. You can't just do surface level fixes. You can't just be in the AI game to get rich quick. It's not going to work out. You need to actually dedicate yourself, dedicate years and years of time. And once we started to actually get those first clients and get some experience under our belt. We started to get some revenue. That's when we started hiring people who actually know how to develop, who are really, really good at it. My strength is looking at a business, seeing the problem, and understanding how we're going to solve it, understanding how we're going to build the system to solve it. And prompting is also one of my big strengths. But I'm not the best at building NAN flows that have 100 nodes with custom code and API calls. It's just not my strength. So once you start making money, you can start to play into your strengths. You can start to hire people who are good at the things that you're not so good at, and you can start to scale that way. So listen, this is not to discourage you from starting an AI business. Starting an AI business is the best thing I've ever done in my life. It's changed my life in every way. I travel the world. I don't live anywhere. I'm right now in Bali. Next week, I'm going to be in Europe. I'm going to be traveling Europe. I'm going to go to South America. My life is great, and it's all thanks to this AI business. So I would encourage you to start one. I just want you to know that the first year of starting one, I locked myself and my business partners also. We locked ourselves in our offices 24/7. We worked Saturdays and Sundays. We didn't go out. We didn't have a social life. And that is the reality of building an AI business that actually thrives, that actually does cool things. So I just wanted to pass that to you. Do with it as you wish. You can still buy one of these AI Gurus courses, and there's some good ones out there. Don't mean to hate on all of them, of course. There's some great ones out there. A lot of my friends have great AI education businesses. But if you see an ad that tells you it's easy to start and next week you can get your first client, it's probably not true. I hope you guys have a fantastic day. Let me know where you're at in your journey in the comments down below. Happy to have a chat with you, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.